Hi guys. Oh god. Well, it's 11:30 right now on the 11th of June 2008. Off school, ill, been revising and things. But anyway, yeah, I ordered something off the internet on Sunday, which would have been the 9th. No, when was the Sunday? 8th of June. Got it here. Anybody guess? Scrubbed out my address, so there's no need to worry about that. So yeah, I ended up ordering RAM off Crucial. 4 gigs I told Will the Plank. I told him, and that's it. So yeah, I thought I'd open this up on camera first. I'm going to video putting it in, and then do it. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, let's get opening this stuff. Don't need to worry about that. 4 gigs is absolutely going to make this MacBook fly. It's just going to fly. We have a 2 gig stick and, of course, another 2 gig stick. I suppose instructions or something for a PC. Yeah, sort of CC stuff. Anyway, so that's that box. My RAM will be going back in these packets, my old RAM, the half gig each ones. We're going back in them packets. These, I can't even see them. So yeah, they'll be coming out of putting the new ones in the MacBook, old ones in here, and they can go in the box. And I don't know what I'll do with them. I'll probably keep them or something. I don't know. Anyway, next time you'll see me, it'll be off a different camera. Yeah, and they can go. Right. Well, just check that I can see this in the frame. Yep. Right. So here we go. First thing I need, penny. So hit clockwise. Let's take the battery out. I'll put the battery up here. The next thing I've got here, some screwdrivers. They're all Phillips screws. Right. And this plate just pops out like that. I'll put that there. Right, just here is the hard drive. There's a little tab you can flick out with a screwdriver and it comes out. So now, here we go. We have the RAM slots here. See these little tab things? Probably. I don't know. You can't really see. Move the camera so you can. Right, we have these RAM tab things. Just in there is the hard drive. You see that white tab? Do that, and it sorry about that. Do that and pull that out, and then pull that, and the hard drive comes out. But I might upgrade the hard drive at some point. Don't know. Right. So it's the first one. What you gotta do is pull it, and the RAM pops out like that. Move that and put it up there. Second one. Right, so position this so you can just see it while I get the RAM out. Right, so first stick of 2 GB of RAM. Right, now when you're putting this in, this bit here needs to go in on the left side. So slide it in, put some force into it. that's in. So that's quite solid. Not like that one. There we go. That's the first one in. I'll put some RAM in this packet, shall we? Right, again, the slit to the left side, and you just slide it in, and then give it a good push in, like that. Right, and that should be it. And 4 gigs is the maximum, I think, for these MacBooks, so maxing the RAM out. Alright, that's in. That's that in then. Put the blade away on that. And you just put the battery back in there. Penny again. Hopefully we should get a nice bong sound. Oh, yes. Right. It always takes a while after installing RAM to boot up because it's recognising new hardware. This might end up going into 2 parts if I can get this quickly done. If not, then it goes round. About this Mac, and there we have it. 4 gigs of RAM. 4 gigs. Right, guys. Well, that was me installing 4 gigs of RAM in my MacBook. Still lots of more videos to come. I've got exams. I'm revising for exams. I've got exams Tuesday and Wednesday, I think it is. So that's me, and then that's me done for school. So I'm going to be probably editing this, God knows when, but hopefully I'll go through these exams no problem, and I'll get all these videos done and upload it to YouTube. So right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe. See you later.